pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of
chocolate buttercream. For this you will need 100 grams of butter, 220 grams of icing sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and 4 tablespoons of hot water. It's not there yet, but that's going to be hot water. This will be sufficient to sandwich and coat a 7-inch cake. In a bowl, beat the butter until soft. Gradually beat in the other ingredients. Cocoa powder, icing sugar, and 4 tablespoons of hot water. And this looks very thin, so I'm going to add some more icing sugar. In a bowl, beat the
pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of pain. I'm 1,000 miles away from home, just waiting for a train.